Be a good student. Turn in your work. Don't slack off.
If I was going to give any piece of advice, I would just say, you know, get involved and just do everything you can, do everything you want to do, because you know you really do only get one shot at it. Just make the most of it.
Some advice that I would give to current and future rocks is to be bold and to not be scared to take chances, because no one is ever remembered for being complacent.
I would say embrace where you're at in the journey. Every step from freshman into senior year has its own lessons and ways you can find joy in them.
The biggest advice I would give is to take advantage of the opportunities that you're given at Trinity.
Humble yourself. You have a lot of things that you need to learn, and there's a lot of growth that needs to happen that you don't necessarily know needs to happen until it does.
I'd say the biggest advice is take advantage of your time here at Trinity. You know, there's always that good saying, whatever you put into it, you get out of it. But I mean, that's true with anything you do. Participate in the clubs, participate in your classes, talk to your fellow students, and try to make friends. It's the best way to really experience the brotherhood and why people go to Trinity.
The advice I would give would be to take advantage of opportunities that are given to you. Just start saying yes to no matter what it is. Just try to say yes as much as possible, because you never know where saying yes is going to lead you.
Do not procrastinate. Do not be lazy with your work. Take care of advising. Do your work when you need to, because yes, we do say you have an extra day to do your homework, but it will stack eventually, so definitely take care of the homework when you can.
Put yourself out there, you know, like step out of your comfort zone, because if you don't get out there, then you're never gonna learn about other people, and you're not gonna learn about who you are, and you're not gonna learn about yourself.